What's up, everybody? This is the 1998 Harley-Davidson Ultra Classic, a time capsule in Lazer Red Pearl with gold and red striping. Only 2,600 miles on the clock, and yeah, it looks every bit as clean as it sounds. This bike's a survivor, 26 years old, untouched, shining like it just rolled off the Milwaukee line. The chrome still pops, the paint still glows. Harley called this the Ultra Classic for a reason. It came loaded. Cruise control, fuel injection, and comfort that eat up states. This one's been babied its entire life, tucked away until today. And just to listen to her purr, that's the sound of a perfectly tuned Evolution engine with miles you can count on your fingers. Most people would take one look and say, don't you dare take that apart. But here at Midwest, we're a little different. We're not destroying history, we're preserving it. Every nut, bolt, and bracket from this Harley will live on in another one somewhere else in the world. So yeah, maybe we are a little crazy, but we do it for the riders who love these machines as much as we do. This is what we do. Real bikes, real parts, real stories. Subscribe to see what happens when we start pulling this legend apart. Slick.